Welcome to the dog track. We're talking about Barkingham Palace today. Imagine that you're Barkingham Palace and you need to collect donations from all of the players from AFC Richmond that are going to go into your fund so that you can have the best daycare and continue providing the best mascots for the AFC Richmond. Please create a customer for Rebecca Welton, and I want to eventually send her a payment link, so also create a price. Let's call it £100, or no, better yet, make that £100,000. We were going to charge her for her donation to Barkingham Palace. While you're at it, why don't you create 2 coupons for doggy daycare that are good for 1 free use, and then we can hand these coupons out at the show. And it's going to be maybe 100% off for 1 day. So add that to the label of the coupon. And if you're not sure about Rebecca Welton, then go look up information about her, and let's make sure that we are at least including some metadata about her. I can keep track of that in our account. So we have a couple different MCP servers. One is the Ted Lasso API. We also have a Stripe MCP server. So the first one it's asking us to do is create a customer with Stripe. Then it's going to do some doc searching with Stripe. Looks like it is figuring out how to create customers and create coupons. All right, now we're executing some code to try and go find Rebecca Welton. She does not exist yet because we have no customers in our database yet. All right, look at that, Rebecca Welton. She's the owner of AFC Richmond. Sophisticated, and she's this billionaire. And so she is going to be the one that donates to our fund, at least initially. Okay, so we'll kick off this execute call. That's also going to, oh, this one I guess is creating coupons. So that's pretty cool. All right, let's see here. Okay, look, we got our Rebecca Welton customer in there. All right. Now, I guess we could go check on our product catalog. And in our product catalog, we have a single product for £100,000. And this is, I don't know, does this have a payment link available? I'm not sure. Okay, so, okay, did it also create the coupons? Let's see. Coupons, look at that, 100% off the doggy daycare. And it only has 1 of 1 for those redemptions. Still running. Okay, we'll go back to our customers here. Rebecca Welton. Rebecca doesn't have any payment methods, and adding payment methods and collecting payment is not part of the MCP server for safety reasons and obvious reasons, I hope. So let's add a card here. Now it's creating the payment link. Cool. Yes, we want to proceed. Figure out how to make the payment link. It did give us back our coupons. We have these IDs for the coupons. That's fantastic. Okay, so now it's creating a payment link, and we've got our payment link. Okay, there's our payment link ID at least. So we can jump over here. Okay. Donate. No, don't save my card for later. Don't save this. Donate. Get out of here. Thank you for your generous $100,000 donation to Buckingham Palace. Wait, Buckingham. No, it's Barkingham. Barkingham. We're talking about, this is for the dogs. This is for the dog track. Okay, done. Here's what the payment link from Rebecca. Fantastic. Okay, so we were able to charge Rebecca. This is probably a different Rebecca now. It's not going to dedupe them. But this one will be a little bit more complex across both MCP servers. Okay, look up the players from AFC Richmond and create an invoice that will charge them 1% of their salary as their donations to Barkingham Palace. That's bark like a dog. All right, we're getting all of the AFC Richmond players. So it's listing all the characters, checking to see if their team ID is equal to Richmond. Cool. And then it's grabbing their role and their salary. And now it's going to figure out how to create an invoice for them. Now it's going to create all the players as customers. This should be good. Okay. All right. Oh, this is interesting. Look at this. It's writing a bunch more code. And it's logging out an emoji with a woof. This is amazing. All right. Boom. Look at that. Colin Hughes, Danny Rojas, Roy Kent, Sam Obisanya. This is awesome. Okay. So we've got the players in there. Now the players are created. Now what is it going to do? Okay. It's going to try and go through and create invoices based on 1% of their salary. So the data in the Ted Lasso API does show the salaries for the players. So let's see if it's able to correctly create invoices. Oh, something crashed. Nothing to invoice for the customer. No pending invoice items. Okay, got it. Need to adjust the order. Let me create the invoice items first. Then the invoices will pick them up. I don't know where it knew that, but that's like definitely in the docs. Like in the Stripe docs as like a implementation detail that is not part of like the API ref, I don't think. So that's pretty impressive. Oh my gosh. What? Okay. Barkingham Palace is going to be one happy Kendall. This is amazing. It gives us the invoice IDs. Okay. Woof, woof. All right. So we come over here and all right, let's take a look at Zava. Zava, he's got an $80,000 incomplete invoice or incomplete payment that is open. It's hanging out. Again, invoices don't get paid automatically, but let's try going into Roy Kent. Let's add a payment method to him. So we're going to add a card, password now or something. I don't want to accidentally add my real card or something. Okay, now we can say something like, all right, Roy Kent has a payment method on file. Let's go ahead and finalize his invoice and make sure that we collect it. And then I want a report of what is our like outstanding balance that we haven't collected yet for invoices, and how much have we collected so far in total donations? Like what's our revenue so far? Okay, I don't know why it's finding the invoices, but maybe it's just trying to find the one that is related to Roy Kent, and then it'll finalize it instead of going through or like filtering invoices by the customer. MCP error. Oh no. 524 timeout. Okay, I don't know which docs it's looking at or how this works, but yeah, something about a docs search ended up timing out. This actually happened on a previous call too. Whoa, that's a cool execute, discover the available method. So it's doing, the docs didn't work, so it's just doing like its own sort of reflection on the actual code. That's cool. All right. All right, pending USD, 130,000 USD, total outstanding. Look at all these open invoices. Okay, this is so fun. All right, we're going to charge all these folks 1% of their salary as a donation to Barkingham Palace. And to get, okay, so it says to get it collected, you'll want to confirm his payment intent through the Stripe dashboard since we don't have payment intent confirmation. All right, so that's like obviously another feature that the MCP server can't do because it is collecting and moving real money, but yeah, pretty cool. All generated with the stainless MCP server. And I've been like really impressed with code mode for this demo.